I love watching the paddlers' reactions as they cross that finish line. Such a range of emotions. They train so hard all year, year after year. They've come a long way for this World Championships. Alistair McCreery of Ireland on course now. Looking smooth so far.
So he did secure a spot in current cross heats. 36 fastest in the time trial. Represented Ireland in the kayak cross in Paris. World Championship appearances for him. Fastest time of Kazuya Adachi of Japan, 88.20. Clean run. Only had 3 clean paddlers so far, in fact 4. Can McCreery add his name to that list? And just as I do that, commentator's curse. Sorry, Alistair, that's my fault. As he picked up a touch at gate 20.
We haven't seen many paddlers touch that gate. It's interesting, throughout racing you'll see particular gates will cause a few more issues across a range of competitors.